different materials, mesh and texture. And then shared asset is basically the main material grass. So all of these are using instances, right? For example, these are using instances. So it's basically click on this icon. Hello, 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 hello. So there shouldn't really be. Okay, it's not using the NVIDIA broadcast mic, that's why. This one should be using NVIDIA broadcast. This one should be using direct one. Okay, let's see if it's now better. Okay. Okay, I think it works properly now. Let me see if stream works properly. I'm just doing quick test before I start making stuff. I'm just confirming if everything works. I have opened my stream in mobile to test it. So let's see. The memory is using 16 GB, GPU, CPU is okay. Yeah, it's not using that much resources. I don't know why this happens, where it just decides to do like weird jump. Why is that doing that? So I'm going to test something. Well, one of the goal that I have for today is to simply convert this into a state tree, because I also want to learn state tree, but I think that would be like much more complex. Why am I so bad at pairing in my own game? What the hell? Okay, I'm going to keep my earphone off for time being, because it needs to recharge. Okay, so everything I've tested, let's see. So goal is to convert this guy into a state tree, which I'm not sure how to do it properly. So in my blueprints, do I add it in blueprints? I should have created a folder called X enemy and then added everything in there instead of having blueprint. Let's see. What if I add, I don't know, I'll just call it AI. Is state tree enabled by default? It is indeed enabled by default. Gameplay state tree, the AI component, because it is actually a character, so I have to use AI component. Pretty much sure. So let's do st underscore x enemy. Let's go into this character guy and add my state tree. Is it not added this way? State tree, yeah, okay. And then add it like this. Perfect. I should be creating an AI controller, I believe. I don't remember, seriously. Might as well make it in case we need this. This one, right? AI controller. VP underscore AI controller for the X enemy. Okay, there we go. Might as well add it. There we go. So next thing is to create different states that it would use. But before that, I will need to go into this guy's blueprint and kinda remove some of the stuff. So the begin play, I'll remove this. Okay. I don't remember much of the stuff, so we already have a context. I know I can create my own context. So we already have a pawn. So should this guy do a cast to our player so that it has a reference? I think so. That would be a good thing. Do I do it in my AI controller, or do I create something? I don't remember, guys. I seriously don't remember. Let's try. Let's go to this guy. Let me create a variable. Let's call it as, I don't know, character. Let's try it. I don't remember. So let's give this context, and will it show in here automatically? No, it would obviously not, because I have to do it in where do I have to do it? Oh, this one needs to be changed to AIX enemy, right? AI controller class. Okay. I can change this to the actual character too. How do I create the context that, like, how do I store a variable that has, the enemy, or that is our player, basically? Is it not done this way? Let's see. So actor, and then I'm going to try check my other project that I once made. Let's see. Maybe that would give me an idea. Bam 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 bam. What is this? Why does it show an error? Is your microphone is unmuted but no signal? No delivery delays. Give ultra. Okay, whatever. I don't know if you guys can see the other TM sandbox. Okay, you cannot. Let me quickly check how I made that. Is it in AI test? I'll do a quick test. Okay. Does this have the state tree? Sword enemy, state tree, AI. These are all not state tree. So where did I use state tree? Did I even make state tree? Now I'm questioning myself. I'm going to search for state tree. Okay, there we go. Browse. Where is it? Show an not this guy. Show. I don't know, you guys cannot see it, but for now, just bear with me. So AIC enemy base. This has state tree AI. It has state tree AI. What? So if I go in here, I don't have the state tree AI in here, but in this variable I have it. Ah. Oh, wait. I'm doing some stupid stuff. I don't add this in here. I actually add it in my AI component. State tree AI, and then I choose my state tree, which is only one. Let's do compile, and we got the state tree AI in here. Do I do refresh? Nope. Let's do this. Let's compile, and we have all of this stuff. Let me just see how I've made the state tree. I don't have a pawn on here to follow player, actor, context, destination, input destination. Oh, I see. So it doesn't store, but we actually have an input in here. How is that input even added? I'm so confused. I'm trying to see. So if I go in my project, so how do I get something, like how do I get my player's location in here? But again, it's single player, so can I just have a variable in here instead, or no? Get location would be, or maybe how did I do in the last time? Let me check. There's an input for the destination that I made, and then I've used get player character 0. I don't want to do it that way. I guess I'll just do it that way for now then. So in here, let's create a new task. And what should I call it? Like get close to enemy or get close to player, something like this. New folder, tasks. Let's save this. Maybe this one would work. Override enter state. When we enter state, I want to do is I can get our pawn, which is basically a pawn, right? This one is context. Maybe it will automatically use the state tree, right? If I use, or should it be called actor? I think it will automatically get that if I use in context. like this guy, actor pawn. um I can do AI move too. I do need, if I do play, nothing should happen, right? Because I removed everything. Okay. I forgot to add an nav mesh, so let's quickly add it. Okay, there we go. AI move to is added. It should be ourself, and the destination should be get player character, get actor location. Can you guys even see this? Okay, the accept ingredients is this much. Let's try it. I didn't even add the state tree in here. So in here, should I create a wait state, or do I? This is a state, and in here I want to do. This is going to be like move closer to player. The task is going to be. Didn't I create my own task? Okay, get close to player. Let me see. Okay, you can see it moves. Can it loop? Can I make it loop? Do I? Any task completes the group? Nope. Uh, let's create new one. And is there a wait? Okay, delay task. This one should be up, and the delay should, I don't know, like 3 seconds, 5 seconds, maybe. I want. I mean, I did delay, but would it do this and this? Because it is set to any, so it has to, or maybe do all. That way, it has to do first this and that. If I do any, it's only going to be that, I believe. Is there any option like what type? Try to select children in order. Try to select with highest utility. Okay, let's try it. It instantly did that. Why? What about delay? 5 seconds. Huh? Any? Get close to player. This guy. It's on enter state. Can I just get close to player event enter state? Wait, don't I have to do like some return or exit state? Uh, what is it called? What do we do at the end of it? Let's see, state tree, finish task there. On succeed, then only we do succeeded. And now this is set to all. Let's see. Why? Okay, duration 5, wait 1, delay duration, random deviation, run forever. Can I not make the task be like up, do this and then this, or do I have to create another task called wait? Can I not do one after another? Because I have two options, right? Any task completes the group or all. All tasks needs to be complete for the group to complete. Okay, let's remove this and see what did I even do. Delete, move to delete task, run simple task to wait in or for given time before succeeding. Okay, I think I have to just create another stuff then. Add task, call it like wait. I'll place it above. to a delay task. So once we wait for 5 seconds, then we move to the next part, but it is set to root. So how do I set it to go to the next area? Okay, move closer to player. Okay, there we go. So now it's delayed, it's waiting, and then of course it's not doing any animation. Why would it do the animation? Why is the animation not working when he's moving? It has to do with something with the blueprint, I believe. Um, 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 um. When blueprint initialized, attacking, get movement component is falling, get velocity, get actor data, rotation list, get set is accelerating. I think this is to do with something. Set accelerating. Okay, so this thing get current acceleration, and then let's try just doing like no acceleration, or actually positive one directly, to see if it works. And yeah, that was the issue. We don't really need like set acceleration, whatever, like this much is okay. Let's remove this, and that should work. Why did not stop? Okay, wait, I think we need to use accelerating, but so something around here is messing it up. Cast to character movement, current acceleration. But then if it's idle, why is it not? Locomotion, aim offset, use catch, upper body. Locomotion, idle jog. Let's see. Is in air, jump to land, jump to land, jump to land. Something to do with is accelerating. Is in air. See. Is accelerating. What is this? Like, is accelerating. Is accelerating. So get the actor, get cast to the character, get the character movement, get current acceleration, and if the vector length is greater than 0, it is accelerating. That makes sense. But then why is it not working? Um, Chat GPT would help maybe. Uh, it's like 1:30, but I slept. I literally woke up like few hours ago from a nap, which is supposed to be small, but I don't know, just turned out to be like way too huge. So I want to go. I'm using ChatGPT, and then basically I am using AI move to via straight tree in Unreal Engine 5 Paragon character. In event graph, if I remove accelerating boolean, it shows walk animation, else it glides, but on stopping it is not doing idle animation. Let's see. This behavior is normal. Why does it like I agree with everything? Okay, use when it does not, or movement mode stays walking, or state tree never signals movement stopped. Last walk pose instead of. Okay, try get velocity size, remove any. Uh, okay. So what it is saying is to not use is accelerating at all. And obviously if I remove the is accelerating it works, but the question is it's stopping. Why is it not stopping? Come on, man. It is going from here to here. Set cast to character. Is it accelerating? Let's see. Is accelerating? What's the default value? Let's do false and see. Okay, so the problem that I'm seeing is that the is accelerating is simply not getting reset when it's like stopping basically. Why could that happen though? I don't understand. Also, even though I change, I think it's something's like not getting like get current acceleration, learn intensity, where is speed? Speed, set speed. Okay, so get velocity, vector length. I think I'll do this instead. Maybe we go like this and then basically take this. Get if the speed is greater than 0. Branch, if it's true we basically set it to accelerating. If it's false we set it to 0. Let's try this. And it stops. Okay, so it works. That's good. It also stores the value that is around there. So is there a way to make it reach me? Wait, on succeeded I have set it to on succeed finish task, get actor location. This is the problem. I should do target actor instead. There we go, because then it will keep changing until it reaches me. Hey, we got him to move. The acceptance radius is a bit too low, I would say. So let's go to and increase the acceptance radius to 50. Pam, 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 pam. Wait, he's moving way too close to me. I don't like that. Why is it the acceptance radius? What is 500? Let's see. Okay, 500, 400. Okay, so basically we would go, he would come to us and then basically just stop around us. So it cannot follow me if I go outside nav mesh. I'll have to make sure that the nav mesh is working. uh okay, in the state tree on fail I should also do this, finish task, else it would never finish the task and just get stuck. So if I go outside nav mesh and then come back in. It moves. It stops close to me. He will now follow me, and then if I go out, boom, it stops. Okay, we got one thing to work. Took 30 minutes, but I guess that's okay. Now my question is, on fail I don't want to do the attack, but on success I want to do the attack. So like, do I tell that, or should I do on fail finish task but tell that it was not successful? And then I can do in here is that the transition on state complete, so succeeded or fail, go to root. Okay, that is perfect, then it's good. uh if it fails, we basically would go back. Wait, on state succeeded, we will go back to root, but if it failed, we will basically go to the wait part like this. So on succeed, go to root. On your, oh no, on succeed we will actually create new one, which is going to be the attack. Let's create new state tree blueprint phase. This one will be called as light attack. Okay, light attack. On enter state, let's get our this montage, add it in here. Now the question is this mesh. How do I get this mesh? I know I have a pawn, right? So can I just use the pawn? Actor, pawn, and it should be in the context like this. My question is, can I store more context variables like the common variables in here? To be honest, context actor class, I can just set it to be my X enemy. It should work, right? Even if I do X enemy. Get closer to player. Nope, could not find context for context property actor. Get close to player, did not find the context in here. Okay, let me add the task again and see if it still shows that error. It indeed shows that error. So it has to be actor. Okay, it seems I have to use this one. Maybe in here I could just do a cast, or not in here, the second state tree. Wait, why is it looking a bit weird? And this one is oh never mind, this is correct. The skeletal mesh component, get, why do I feel like I'll have to do the cast? But do I have to do the cast every time? Can I not just do it once? Let's see. So I know I'm using AI X enemy. Can I create more? What if in AI controller I can get the AI controller, right? Let's see. AI controller. It is AI controller type. And then basically tell that it's a context. Okay. If I get this, get owner, till I would not be able to get like the mesh, right? Let me see. I'll watch a tutorial and see. Play animation in state 3. Let's see. Play montage, I would say that would be better. Um, what is showing? Let's see. We have to Google it now. Let's see. What's the best practices to use? Nom, 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 nom. Use state motion of your character like moving, jumping. Use montage to react on something, and you need to define what. Let's say you're holding. How to use montage in state machine? 2015. How old is it? State tree. Let me just ask ChatGPT then. I want to play attack animation montage when my state tree task each player is done. How can I play it? Let's see. Hello. State tree event. Each player listen for event in add. Receive state tree event. Event name equal to attack player. Play animation montage. How can I play animation montage as I don't know what to add in skeletal mesh component? Why do I type like this? Do not add to the skeletal montage upload by not assigned on mesh. Let us start plot. Go to find animation pose. Now I have a light attack animation that I want to play via play montage. How can I do that in state tree? Achee. State tree itself should not directly own animation law. It should request an attack, and the character baby should play. Below is the cleaner version. So state slash task recommended best ways. Create an event name light attack. Send the event from the state tree. Set event name light attack. Best place for incinerator or when reach player finish after receive the event in character blueprint. If event name is equal to line montage is not playing. Huh? Is that how you do this? Num 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 num. I'm so confused. So what it's saying is that instead of doing this, I should actually just send the message to my character that hey, do the attack. How do I do that? Do I use an interface? Because that's the easiest way I could think of doing. Just to use interface. Let's do is create our interface. How do people even stream? My head is already hurting. Okay, let's create an interface. Let's call it BPI X enemy AI or state. I don't know, like state 3 or something like this. Light attack. Okay. In my player, I'm going to do is interface num 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 straight 3 X enemy straight 3. This would give us light attack. Let's move this up around here. Let's go. So now that should work. Now in my straight tree light attack, we already have the pawn, so we could just do this and then basically just tell it that to light attack, and then uh finish task like this. And then do we wait or what? So after we move, I will create another state, and that would be like light attack, or should I do like attacks? Okay, and then inside of this we will create a light attack and then place it like to this. So as soon as it reaches here, we will do state entered, go to attacks. The attacks would basically go here and then send it to root, and then it will loop. In this task we will basically do a light attack. Straight tree blueprint task, I don't know why I've named it so big. So when it attacks, it will do this, and here I could even choose like any, all, or like try to select at random and something. Let's see. Come on, boy, fight me, fight me. You should be like way too closer then. Here's the problem. So I want it to come closer to. I want it to be closer to us, but maybe not. Let's see. Like he should be closer to us, like surround us, and then move and do attack. Hey, it works. I'm trying to parry and see if I can parry it without having to change any code. Um, maybe the light attack or parry is not working. Okay, runtime error as this is this one. What did it say? Access none, trying to read the property as pp main person in character node. Parrying. Why is it not available? Event light attack, melee A. What do you mean by this error? Why is there like a random error? Huh? Oh. Why do I have a dispatcher? I'm super confused right now. So I have what? It's trying to do this. Event attack trace. Huh? Yeah. Eat this. Eat this, buddy. Come on. Yeah. Blueprint trying to read the property as main person character in curl node. Branch event guard function. Execute over. Why is this branch not working? Allow capsule. Attack capsule. Get overlapping actors. Does implement interface. So if it does implement interface, we do hit once and then allow parry. Did I remove something? No, right? I didn't remove anything. This is confusing. So attack does the attack and goes back to root, waits and all. Bam 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 bam. Yeah. Bah, bah. I don't understand what I have done. to mess this up. So if I go in here to my melee montage, there is the parry window. Let's make the parry window be huge. Come on, attack me, buddy. Okay. So the parry window is doing nothing. The error is showing in here. Let's do allow parry to be, I mean, it is true by default. We set it to be false in here, right? No, how do I set? I forgot. So allow parry. If I go in the notify blueprint, receive notify begin. Basically, we set the parry and we basically remove the parry. Where do we set it? Parry window around here. So parry window, allow parry, and then basically set this to be bool, true or false. Let's see. The print string would help. So you can see allow parry was true for like a really good time. I didn't even attack and it still showed an error. What is it trying to access? Access none trying to read the property BP main third person character. Oh. Did I remove the event begin play? Ah, I see. Such a stupid mistake. Okay, there we go. Such a simple yet stupid mistake. How did I miss the parry? Yeah. Okay. The parry window is going to be, I guess, the full attack. I kind of want to do it. Okay, that's okay. Maybe not this much, but this much. Let's see. Come on, buddy. Oh, I forgot about checking my lock on. Yeah. Come on, fight. Yup, 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 yup. Come on, bring it on. Yup, 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 yup. So we got light attack. I don't know if where is it? Let's try adding more attack and see. So in my character, if I go in here, we have melee A, melee B, so do I want to let's see. So instead of creating multiple tasks, how about I just create a light attack in there? But I can also, if I create 4 states, then I can basically just be like use random one and randomly just do a combo kinda. Maybe, let's see. So yeah, I think that would be better. So let's do like, oops, light attack 2, light attack 3, light attack 4. Let's try this. uh I want to make state trees for different one of them now. My cat is being annoying. The thing is, if I can just manually do like get a random number and do an attack from a list of this attack, and that would be maybe better. And then I can Is it better if I do one single one and then second one I just create a combo attack in different state? What would be good? You know what? Let's just do this stuff. So melee B, melee C, and then melee. There is no melee D. There's only three attacks. Okay, I really want to poop right now. I'm going to do this and then quickly do my poop attacks. Okay, so melee, where is it? Melee C and melee B. Let's create animation montage. And let's hope it is working properly without any glitches. Was there already? Okay, there was already montage is made. Um, 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 State tree, search this, and I'm just going to duplicate it twice. This is going to be light attack 2. What? Oh, it automatically created. This one would be 3, and this one would be. What? No. Okay. In my interfaces, do we create an enum instead of creating multiple? Huh? Let's do that. Let's create an enum. Let's create it outside. Let's create enum, 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 light attacks. 1, 2, 3. Light attack 1, light attack 2, light attack 3. Let's do this. And here we can just create our light attack, enum, light attack. Obviously I can create 3 of them, but I think it would be like much more cleaner to do this way. Then in here we can basically just easily copy this. Wait, where is it? I just have to choose that do light attack 2. I just have to choose that do light attack 3. You can see how easy it was. Can I actually like promote this to variable and then have this be in here? Where is it? Like in here? You know what? Let's try this. Let's do it as instance editable. I think that would work. Let's see. Light attack 3. I have made the light attack 3, right? It is, which one it is? Yeah, it is 3. Let's do compile, save. Light attack 3. There's no parameters, or is there any parameters? I don't know. Let's see. Maybe I have to do something like this. No? Uh, Input. I remember this thing. Wait. I remember. Let's do light attack in here for the first one. Then I set this to input. Compile. If I now go to the first one, I have the light attack option. Promote this to a parameter. Huh? Where is it? Okay, yeah. Parameter. State tree light attack on task input property. Okay, wait. Is the third one? Okay, third one. Let's remove this. Light attack straight on light attack input. Huh? Okay, let me just try this first. This one, parameter light attack. Okay. But is that a global parameter? Because I want to change it manually. Like I want to change it around here. Can I not do that? Can I choose like different one of them like this? Let's try it. Let me delete the second and third one. That would basically just remove everything. Okay, so light attack, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, delete. Let's duplicate, and let's duplicate. Can I select this as 2, select this as 3? No, everything is getting selected as the same one. Maybe I have to create the parameter in here instead of creating there. Yeah, probably, right? Or no? Let's see. Enum light attacks like this. Compile, and it says new property. Or is it this one? Let's delete this one. Compile like this. And why? Okay, there we go. Enum light attacks. Let's do is parameters, and there we go. Then I can just delete this. This one is 2, this one is 3, and that way I don't have to create, I think, multiple of them. Hell yeah. Okay, so right now we got a task which is light attack, and basically sends it to our actor, and then finish task. Oh wait, if does it finish task instantly? Because then all the animation would basically just mess up. uh which is probably what's going to happen. I'm going to open this guy, and then I'll do switch on enum. First one is going to be this. Can I create like make montage? No, I was like, if I can just create one variable, and it would be like a lot more easier instead of duplicating this. And create a variable, and then basically just do get a copy. You know what, screw it, let's just do one by one. This is going to be B montage, this is going to be C montage. Okay, let's see what it does. It will do first, and then it will just go back, right? It needs to select random, right, to select children at random. I'm also going to make the delay be a lot smaller. One second. Okay, that's the second attack. Is it doing the first attack only or not? Nope, it's doing different ones too. Let's go. I know I can only parry like one of it, so I'm going to try to parry every one of it. Here we go. So I can only parry one of it. Mhm. My only question is, how is there a way for me to wait for, finish task, like the instead of doing it instantly, the finish task, how about I wait and then do the animation? So for example, if I want to do, let's say, a combo, right, and then instead of doing this, we will do like try to select children in order and all of them task, and that way it has to do all animations. But oh, Okay. Wait. Do I duplicate this and then create like, so in the attacks, do I duplicate this and create one called combo? I think which that might be better. Yeah or no? What if I create a boolean in here and then basically it's like, but then how do I randomize it? Hmm. Well, let's try this. Let's create a new state, and this one is going to be like random light attack. Is there like different state or transition? Let's see. On delegate, on event, on take. Oh, I don't know much of it. So let's just delete. What I want to do is there a way that I do not have to, duplicate this 3 more times? For example, right now, this is what I'm trying to do. How do I change the order? Okay. So what I want to do is I will also do like try to select at random light attack, and it will basically just choose one of the random attacks and then go back. But I want to duplicate this, and this one is going to be like combo light attack, and in here it will go from one to another. But if it is there a way to like without having to do duplicates like this? On state combine, let's go to light attack 2, light attack 3. So but the thing is this changes like way too fast. I think that's the problem. So that was random, that was random. Is there no way to debug this? Attack, try to select children at random. So I want it to randomly select one of it. What if I just delete this one? It is just stuck on the first one. One state completed. Transition to light attack 2. Finish task. It probably finishes like way too instantly, which is not good. Combo light attack. Oh, all. I think I have to select. Oh no. Wait, this doesn't matter, right? What I do in here? But this is not the task. This is just something that should select. Try select children in order. When this finishes, it goes to this. When it finishes, it goes to this. But if it's going on straight complete, go to light attack 2. Then how is that going to work? Combo is not working at all. What's happening? So random light try select children in order. Wait, what? Random light attack. This one should be like select random, right? Wait. This one is set to. Wait, if I remove this, let's wait and see. So that's first, 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 first. Okay. So that is obviously not working. But this one is also like set to be. It should be like try select children at random. And then it should basically do this. Wait for two random attacks. Boom, 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 boom. Okay. don't understand. So this attack would select random stuff. This one is to go try to select children in order. Okay. I think it has to do with delay. Let me try it. Let's do a delay of maybe 2 seconds. And then let's remove the random light attack. Let's see if first animation. Yep, it has to do something to do with delay. Let's do one. Wait, I have to do this first. Okay. I know delay is not something that should be used. So what do I create? Set timer by function name. Let's do, I don't know, 1 second. Let's create a custom event. Name it like uh, finish finish task after delay, whatever. Let's place this and then name it around here. And this one would basically act as a delay. Okay. One thing I want to do is I want to add all of the stuff which is this montages, and I want to do is add 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 the parry window and all. So if I can find, why did I close that? Okay, so hit check and parry window, that's what I have to add in both of them. Wait, it didn't, god damn it, it didn't copy it. I mean, it didn't open in like separately. Is there a fast way to do it? Melee montage, there we go. Let's copy my hit check, go to the B, add this in notify, hit check, paste it. Okay, the hit check should start around here and stop around here. Well, maybe not. Looks like it, like around here. Let's create another one, call it parry window. Let's copy this, paste it in here. My parry window should, I guess, start around here and end a bit early like this. Let's copy the attack and let's go to the C, add our hit check. Let's see. Okay, around here maybe. And stop it around there. So let's create a parry window. Let's go to our P parry. So it starts, I guess, around here too. You have to stop it like way too early. Is the parry window like way too fast maybe? I'm not sure. And I actually downloaded a sound. Let's see if you can. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Oh, I'm also not hearing my. I'm also not wearing my earphone. Let's do this. I need to edit it a bit, so just wait for a while. I'm trying to. Okay, this sounds cool. This much part. How do I cut it? I don't know how to use Audacity. Cut. Let's see. Is my I don't know if my audio is even like with. Can you guys even hear the audio? Let me see. Well, it is set to be streaming, so maybe it is. Let's see. How the hell do I cut it? I haven't really used Audacity that much. Okay, let's do cut, and then basically I'll do paste. What? What? Oh, I see. Such a stupid thing. Okay, let's save this. / design Audacity. It should be MP3, or is widgets better for like games? Wait, let me just search. Which audio format is better for games? Wave. Okay. VA. What WAV? Let's export this. Let's go in here. Let's go in here. And then basically I'll add the SFX in. I'll create a new folder called SFX. Let's create a parry. Let's drag this in. I feel like it would be like way too loud, so I'll need to manage it. I don't know if it's audible in my stream or not, so let me quickly check. Let's drag this in. I feel like it would be like way too loud, so I'll need to. Never mind, it is working in my stream. So, let's do a like basic stuff, I would say, for the audio. That is to play it on, not here, on parry, right? On successful parry. So this one. Wouldn't it be better to add it in? Okay. Or add audio component. Wouldn't it be better to add it in like the parry in my character basically instead of adding it in the enemy? Which would be better? Like, how do I know if the parry was successful though? I don't even remember how I made it. Let me just check it quickly. Even though I made it like yesterday. So attack window, right mouse button, allow parrying is parrying, parrying delay. Okay, so in my attack, in my player, he doesn't really know whether it was parried or not. So it needs to be added in the character. Let's see. Come on, boy. Oops, oops, oops. Only if I could parry it. Oh, why was it so delayed? This was like delayed as hell. Why was it delayed? Oh, it is set to uncompleted. That's why. Play montage, hit react. But what if this gets cancelled by attacking me or what? The parry sounds like way too weird. I don't like it. Ah, I'm able to like parry this guy, but not the other ones. Don't know why. The parry window is like way too small. Is the parry window like way too small? I'm only able to parry like the first attack. Oops, oops. Okay, so I can parry it if I just time it properly. Obviously, that's the part of parrying. Also, maybe we make this a bit bigger because it's getting like way too close. 200. Has to be 150. Oops. Let's see. Bring it on. Sound. I need to figure out how to fix the sound because it sounds like way too weird. The volume 0.5. Uh, in this stuff, can I do some changes? Okay, I can do it in here. Okay, wait. Let's reset this and then basically just change it around here. Let's do like 2.5. Wait, I cannot test it around here. Man. I cannot test it around here. Let's test it around here then. Let's try with. There's also no testing around here. What the hell? Okay. I know one way if I remember. Adding it in here. Nope, still no. Let's try it. Okay. Point. If I do 2, then would it be like. Oh, I like how it sounds now. Still would probably need to switch it to, an actual sword kind of sound. Instead of doing it this way. Maybe 1.5? The second attack is like very hard to dodge because it comes up like so quick. I think for a combo there needs to be some sort of like notice like I'm going to do the next combo or something. Let's also add like a sword slash and what do you call, a sword slash and hit sound. After that, I'm just going to stop because I'm very tired right now. I'm on Pixabay trying to find some good sound. I do like this. It's very simple. Let's try this. Download. Let's see, download. I'm just going to directly add it and see. Let's see. Sword, maybe. This is the hit swing effect, and another one was this is hit swing and slashes, right? So the hit swing should only play when we are actually hitting the enemy, but there should be like sword just swing, sword swing. Is there no like, yeah, I like this whoosh sound, so let's try this. I'll have to edit this a bit, so let's quickly do that. I don't like the editing with Audacity because I'm not familiar yet. Let's play this. Yeah, this one sounds a lot better. Let's delete everything. Let's add this. Okay, let's try this now. Okay, export, export. Okay, let's try now. Sword swipes. Okay. This one is like way too light, but I guess for now I can just use this. I'll play this on event hit. A montage on completed. What is this one? Hit react. Okay, there we go. We want it around here. Hit sword and play this. And then in our actor component, I don't know, is it better to create like an actor component for the player or not? I'm not sure. For the attacks, it probably would be better to just, I think I should add the VFX in the montage. But for now, let's just see this. Sword swipes, attacks. Why couldn't I drag it? Wait, I cannot drag it inside an attack component. Wait a second, that's annoying. Can I really not do that? Oh my god, I cannot add an audio component on the character, sorry, in the attack component, and I've actually made the attacks in there. So let's do this thing. So let me just close everything. Let's go in here, and I think I will have to add, how do you add this? So add notify track and then add notify. Now how do I play audio on like certain timings? When I keep adding notify tracks, which is stupid. Play sound, I can add it around here. Okay, that's good. Let's add it like right here. Okay, sword swipes. There. Okay, whatever. It works for now. So let's just do this. I mean, I should add it in the one because we already have it. Yeah. Whatever. Let's try it quickly. I'm a bit tired right now, so I'm trying to finish it. Okay, let's try this. Okay, let's try it quickly. It sounds so bad. I hate it. I hate how this sounds. I hate the sound effects so much. Maybe something I could manage to do in here. Maybe pitch. Let's try with pitch. And then volume should be low. Let's see. I'm so bad at parrying. I don't know why this is happening. Why is it just. Why is it. Maybe I have to place it a bit up. And maybe that would fix it. No, right, because it automatically would move it up if it was happening. The second attack is so hard to like dodge. I think the second one should be a bit slower. But the first attack is like there, like very quick. The second attack is like not even noticeable. You can see there's no chance to even like stop the attack. Maybe I make the parry window for the second attack a bit longer. Where is the second attack? There we go. Should make the parry window like freaking huge. How do I miss all three of them? So fast, it's so hard to tell. I'm preparing myself still. It's feel like I'm not even like pairing it properly. Let me try something. This is the whole parry window. How do I still miss? How the second one is always missing? What? Is there is the parry window there? Or am I being stupid? The only reason I could think of it is if the second attack is not even hitting me. Wait, I remember why this is happening. I see. Such a stupid mistake. The reason for this I just remember because we are attacking from the other hand, and guess what? The other hand does not have this collision box. So I need to duplicate this and call it underscore L. This is going to be underscore R because left and R, and this one is going to be weapon R. Sorry, L2 is like way too far. Let me reset everything first. When L1, okay, that's better. Let's rotate. Okay, there you go. And then the scale. Why is the scale different? I think I should move it up. Is my audio working? Let's see now if it works properly. The question is, does the right one even match? Is it even like coded in here? Because I think I've already done only done for one of the attack capsule. Just checking the overlapping and all there. I've only done it for one of it, which is how do I do for both now? Uh, when attack trace happens, I want to. I mean, I can create something in attack trace where it's like, are you using like left hand or right hand? Instead of checking for both collision at once, I think that would be better. So this attack trace, not this. Will it open? Okay, perfect. Attack trace, and is it left hand or okay? Is this left hand or not? In here we'll add a branch. So this is going to be right one, right? So do I add it later? Let's see. Another thing though, if I do this like this, if I do this like this, how do I tell this milli montage that hey, I'm doing it from the other hand? Huh? Oh, that's the parry window. Can I promote this to a variable and make it instance editable? And maybe that would suddenly start showing in here. Um, hmm, 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 hmm. I've done it. Maybe expose on spawn too, because why not? Attack event. Okay. because this anime notifies like same for every one of them. Oh, there it is. That scared me a bit. I don't know. I'll just add it in like hand category. And I think it should show in hand. Okay, there we go. So this one is the left hand. So let's do tick. Okay. By default, other one should be basic or automatically fixed. If it is left hand, should I do like this for organization? Okay. Maybe this looks organized a bit. There you go. If this is true, wait, if the left hand is true, we don't we want to do this. Holy shit, it is also around here different. Like hit. I know I have to duplicate this guy. Attack L. I have to duplicate all of this. Switch. No, no switch, I guess. I duplicate this much. And this is going to be for the left one, left hand. But then it will only take one of it, right? So do I have to create another branch? Then connect both of them around here, maybe. Let's do branch. If this is... Wait, if this is true, we'll do this guy. If this is false, we'll do this guy. Any easy way to organize this? Can I connect both wires? No, I cannot connect both wires. Let me do something instead, like something else instead. Maybe that would work. Based on this, like select int, nope. Switch, select. Is it like this? Select. Okay. It's like this. Then A, option B, return value. So if this is wait. Okay. Option 1, option B. Wait, if I do this, false true. No, how does this work? I forgot. Select. Nope. If this is true, I want to do this, and if it's true, this is I want to do something else. Wait, but then index, it's just giving same stuff because what the hell? Like switch? Nope. Here's what I want to do, right? If this is if this is true, I want to use my left hand. I think I'm taking like way too big step instead of finding an easier way. If this is true, then promote this to like a variable so that it like replaces this and all. Okay. Uh, it will not compile. How the hell did it compile if the target is not set? If the left hand is true, we will. If it's false, we will do. If it's true, we will use this. If it's false, we will use this. I'm so confused. So if I do this, if I do this false, it will basically work properly for the right hand. But if I do left, I need to do this true. If this is true, then I need to add this around here. Like I want to run this code again. Okay, so that's all I want to do. I want to run this code again with just selecting this or that. So based on this left hand or right hand, can I just choose one of this? Let's do this. Is there no select option? Okay, there is select option. There. That is what I wanted. Why the hell was it not showing in the first time? There. So there's the index. Why was it not showing in the first time? I would have saved so much time. Branch through around here. Uh, if it's true, it needs to be left hand. If it's false, it needs to be right hand. Okay. And then we basically just send it like this. Why is it happening? We go to this one, B montage again. Huh? Okay, yeah, attack check. I'm saying that this is the left hand. Looking big as parry window. So this works, this does not, this works. Why? Why? Ah, this is okay. The left hand. When this does it, we tell that it's a left hand. This is one thing I want to do. I want to do print string, and just let me know which one it is. Is it left or right? Okay. So it did. What did it do? Hmm? Attack capsule R or left. Okay, it's doing R. Wait, it's always doing R. So first, this one should be left. Why is it not doing left? Anim check. I think I did something stupid. I think I did something stupid. It should be on tick around here. Holy man. Such a stupid mistake. I was doing it on end, which is stupid. Let's try it. Okay, it is working. The pad is working. If I just spam, you kinda spam, but it does not work always. Okay, so this parry window needs to be, I would say it would be a bit bigger because it's like very hard to match it, like the parry. Okay, bring it on. Locked on. Boom, oops, boom, oops, boom, boom, boom. Perfect. It's not even doing the freaking stagger animation anymore. I think once it gets parried, there should be a bit of. Or is it just randomized, fully randomized? I'm so confused. Like, does it feel smooth or am I just being bad? Should the parry window be a bit bigger? You know what? I'm going to stop the stream, so I'm going to play it once in a really high quality, maybe in high. I don't know if my PC would be able to handle it. It should be, considering it's like fully new with like very good quality right now. Okay, bring it on, boy. I should probably set the focus on my player, right? So that it always faces us when it's attacking. Or maybe only on attacking we do. Uh, I'm not sure completely. There's like no anticipation that the attack's going to happen. It's just like very random. I think before it does like the triple combo, I should have like some sort of indication that there's going to be a combo. That way everybody can just basically be prepared. I'm going to record a video for my Instagram pretty quickly, so let me just do that. I'm going to record it with my mobile camera instead of recording it directly. Let's see. Do I have anything to even like place my camera on? How do I even record it? Ah, freaking! I even though I've slept like well, I'm still feeling so tired. Hmm. How do I record it properly? I have a stand for my mobile, but it's like very, not very big, but it would be not good for this angle. So why is it looking so dark? See. Okay, I think that's all for this stream. I am a bit tired. I'm going to rest. I also need to poop right now, which is like more important. So yeah, guys, that's all. I don't think anyone was watching, but still,